Hey, welcome back guys. Today I'm back with a whole video. I recently did some purchasing from a very favorite site of mine, acom.com. So I thought why not I share it with you all. I absolutely love their products. They deal with all kind of home fragrances, scented candles, diffusers, reed diffusers. So what I purchased, I'll share it with you right now. And along with that, I'll be sharing some kitchen tools that I got from website from Tata Click. I absolutely love all kind of home decor items, so be it home decorative pieces or kitchen tools. I'll start with the website products that I got from Tata Click. It's like that. The package is like this. It's from Tata Click. This is a garlic storage container. It is a metal container and big enough to store the kind of garlic we generally buy for our small family. It has got holes in the bottom for the air circulation, off-white color and very good sturdy metal. It comes with a cover like this. Very pretty, very aesthetic, and along with productivity it will also add good aesthetic to your kitchen. So yeah, the next piece is also from Tata Click and it is also a kitchen tool, basically for kitchen storage. This is a fork and spoon holder, same as the shade of the garlic container. Just like this, big enough to hold a host of forks and spoons. It has got a handle to hold it like this, and absolutely beautiful piece of art, and same as the item before, along with a very good productivity. It will serve the productivity very well. At the same time, it will add such a good aesthetic to your kitchen. It's from Soya. Now I'll move to my purchase from acom.com. It's full of products. All the items are individually bubble wrapped. They have really taken care of the safety of the products so that they don't get damaged on the way. So basically I got around 12 number of essential oils. This is in the fragrance White Musk. So basically they had a deal. For every, I think for every bottle you will be getting one free, or for 6 you get 6 free or something like that. I'll add it somewhere here. I'll find out and I'll add it. So I got 12 fragrances in a very reasonable price. So the fragrances that I got are, so yeah, the fragrances that I got basically are mahogany, April fresh, driftwood. So basically I got around 6 fragrances, teak wood, then rose. So I got double of everything. I got 6 fragrances and I doubled it and it came into the offer. The next product is this wax melts, scented wax melts. These are like you get these tablets. So basically they are the same as the essential oils, but then instead of oil being oil, they are in wax tablets. So these are fragrance wax, and what you do is you put the you like break one tablet and you put it onto the diffuser just like we do with the oil. I have been looking for this wax melts for the longest time, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So finally, when I found these on the site of acom.com, I was super excited and I just couldn't wait to get my hands on them. I can vouch for it. Right now it's burning right behind me and my room is smelling divine. I'm absolutely loving it, and like the calm that I'm feeling because of the fragrance around me is unexplainable, and like I had expected, I must say I'm not disappointed. So thank you Acom for bringing in this product finally. So guys, that was it. Do let me know how did you like these products. I absolutely loved them. I'll link them in the description below. If you like it, you can check them out. And this is not a paid promotion. I purchased them on my own, and because I loved them so much, so I thought I'll share it with you all. Hope you liked this whole video, and if you really liked it, do give me a like, do subscribe, and tell me in the comment section what do you think of all the stuff that I showed you in this video. So that was the video, guys. Until next time, take care and see ya.